Hi there and welcome to the latest Scotland forecast from the Met Office. We're going to see a mixed weekend. The best weather really will be on Sunday. Before that, some rain and certainly a lot of showers around. We've seen very showery conditions during Friday, and then a weather front moves into the northwest overnight, bringing a spell of heavy and persistent rain as well as gusty winds. As that moves through, it means that temperatures aren't going to dip especially low, staying up at 11 to 13 Celsius, but it will be a wet start to the weekend, and that rain pushes into the central belt during the first part of the day. A couple of hours of wet weather, but it does clear away, and by mid-morning, much of Scotland's brighter, albeit with these frequent and heavy showers moving through, especially for Shetland, but central and western parts certainly prone to these frequent and lively showers. In between the showers, there will be some bright spells, but the wind will be gusty. That's going to make it feel on the cool side, with temperatures getting up to 15 to 18 Celsius generally. Warmest air always to the east, to the shelter of those winds. Now, overnight, we'll see further showers for a time, but they do tend to ease, and certainly for the south and the east, it's mostly dry with clear spells, the winds coming down a touch as well. Ahead of high pressure building across the south of the UK, this low tending to push the jet stream a bit further north, but we'll still see some changeable weather for Scotland over the next few days. Sunday starts off with bright skies for many, but there'll be patchy cloud in the west, some showers. Not as many as Saturday. I think actually Sunday's looking like a reasonable day, and because of the lighter winds, the fewer showers, a bit more sunshine, it's going to feel a bit more warm as well. Temperatures reaching 22 Celsius. And that warming trend continues into the start of next week as that high pressure builds in the south. No heat wave for Scotland, but looks like temperatures will be a couple of degrees higher on Monday. Plenty of sunny spells around before further showers later on.